Welcome. Today we are going to use potato, ginger, garlic paste, salt, turmeric, black pepper, red pepper, mixture of spices. But we are going to get diced Irish and then put the spices, then we boil. I used 1 cup diced Irish. You cook for 12 minutes, that's all. When ready, you put on a tray to cool down. Now if you love spices, you will again have some more spices, salt, and then baking powder. Then we're also going to use carrot, green pepper, tomato, ginger garlic paste. We need 10 eggs. So let's start. So you mix and then whisk the eggs. Diced Irish is Irish potato cut into cubes. Now if you're new to this channel, welcome. We do cooking here and even craft. Please consider subscribing. It's really your good way of showing how you really support us and how you really appreciate us. Thank you. Stir fry like for 2 minutes. Add eggs. That's separating the egg from the pan. Just separating the egg from the pan. Make sure the uncooked egg goes behind so that it cooks through. And when it's time for flipping over, it doesn't overflow. If you have a problem flipping the omelette over, you just use a tray or a plate and flip it over. Then you push it back into the pan. Yeah, organized and perfect. So you let it also cook like for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you flip it over again so that the sides are both cooked. And then when you're done, it's time for serving. Wow, wow, wow. This is what we get. Isn't it delicious? Isn't it beautiful? When you see it, you feel like grabbing a bite. Thanks for watching. Please try this and tell me your feedback. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. It really helps us. It's your way of supporting us. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. Thank you.